Alright, what up, y'all? So, as you can see, it's a mess down here. But, this is what I'm working on. Another Silverado. I say another, but it's only been, I think this is the third one this time. So, what I'm working on is LED strips for these, but I got this color shift LED. And the problem is, the switchbacks I did came in a tube. So with these, you can't get the RGBs in a tube. So I'm trying to get this to go in here without looking like it's just a strip laying in there. So I found this this tube on eBay. This is supposed to be for like food or something, like some, you know, like milk or whatever, like some sort of actual food processing, whatever. But I got this. It's a little bit bigger than the LED strip. So what I'm gonna do is put the LED in here, and I'm gonna test it and see if the LEDs look better going through this tube. And if they do, I'll probably end up just painting the tube white or something, just so I can kind of disperse the light a little bit more, as opposed to just having it go straight through this clear tube. So it's starting to stick a little bit. There we go. So kind of got to work with it to get it in here, just because the two materials want to stick to each other instead of just sliding. There we go. So yeah, the goal is for this to look more like a tube. So alright, so hopefully once I get this in here, I can rig this up how I want it. And like I said, I'm gonna try to paint like a thin layer of white on this tube, so you won't see the actual LEDs in there, but the whole tube itself will light up and it'll glow. So I'm gonna try out a few things, and hopefully it works out. Alright, so I also got some of this this butyl headlight sealant. So I'm just using this on the ends, and normally this is to keep stuff waterproof. This is going to be in the headlight, so a waterproof part really don't matter. But this is going to keep the LED strip in place, keep it from sliding one way or the other. And I'm going to go ahead and rip off a piece of this and fill up this side as well. And like I said, this is just to keep the LED strip in place, so it doesn't move around any while it's in this little setup. So, and if you were doing this anywhere else, this would be to keep this thing waterproof, so no water gets inside of the tube. So this should be good enough to keep the strip from moving in it. And now I'm gonna try some paint, and with this being flexible like this, I'm pretty sure the paint is gonna chip and flake and all of that. So I'm gonna try a couple of different paints. I got some white plastic dip, and I think if I spray it light enough, it'll be white, the plastic dip will flex, and the light will still shine through. So that's my hope. If not, I'll try some regular duplicolor white paint that I got laying around, and we'll see what that does. this butyl sealant works for a lot of random stuff too, so it's good to have some laying around. Alright, so that's one decent light coat with this stuff. Now while we got it there, I'm gonna plug all of this up and we're gonna see, this is the controller that I've been using lately. So comes with the regular remote that usually they come with, but you get the option to use Wi-Fi and you can control it with your phone, so you know that's something. But let's see if this light actually shows through. Yep, so light shows through pretty good. Can't really see the strip itself, you just see the lights inside the tube. So as long as this doesn't really crack and chip up too much like crazy once it's in the headlight, we should be good. We go the red back on, so I didn't have it hooked up all the way up here, so the red wasn't showing, but red is back in. So yeah, this might actually work out. Alright, so test fit, it's looking good. I'm gonna twist this a little in a different way so more light will go to the front, but it's doing exactly what I wanted it to do, which is look like it's an actual bar in there that's lighting up. So I still gotta, I cut this hole for this to cut through right there a little too high, so I'm gonna drill that a little lower so it'll sit flush instead of having that little hump right there in the middle. But other than that, it's pretty good. I ended up trimming this side down a little bit, so I'm gonna repaint it, but the plastic did work, so I might just peel all of this off, because I had to peel off the end to cut off this little section. It was a little too long, so peel all the dip off. I'm gonna spray it one more time, drill that hole a little lower, and then this side will be done and I'll be able to switch over and do that side. So alright, and here's the finished product. So this clear tube with the LED strip in it, plastic dipped white, with the butyl sealant on the ends of it so the tube doesn't move, or so the LEDs don't move, but looks good. Let me know what y'all think about it.